There are specific signs that begin happening when your manifestation is getting closer to your physical reality. And no, I'm not talking about seeing repeating numbers everywhere. I'm talking about real internal and energetic shifts that usually happen right before your reality begins to change. Because manifestation usually materializes energetically first before it materializes physically. And if you understand these signs, you're going to stop panicking, stop forcing, stop wondering if it's actually working or not, and instead start recognizing that your subconscious mind, your vibration, and your reality may actually be shifting into alignment. In this video, I'm going to share 5 signs that your manifestation may already be materializing right now, including the emotional shifts that happen right before manifestations appear, why detachment matters so much, the strange way your nervous system changes, how your subconscious begins aligning, and why things may feel a little different before your manifestation physically arrives. Hello, powerful manifestors. Welcome to my channel. I'm Victoria Gallagher, creator of the Believe Hypnosis app, #1 best-selling author of Practical Law of Attraction, and the founder of Manifestation Mastery. And after helping thousands of people reprogram their subconscious minds for over 25 years, the thing I've noticed is that manifestation usually leaves clues before it physically arrives. The problem is most people miss the signs when they're too busy worrying about where is it already. Have you ever had something manifest just as soon as you finally decided to relax, let it go, and stop obsessing over it? Let me know in the comments because this happens way more often than people realize. So here's the first sign. The first sign is that you stop obsessing over it. This is a big one because when people desperately need something to happen, they are usually creating the opposite, the emotional resistance, the constant checking, worrying, constantly looking for proof. And that's usually right before the manifestation arrives. And you'll notice that, you'll notice that you finally just feel calm about it. Almost like, I'm okay either way. It's done, it's coming. And ironically, that is the emotional release that creates the space for the manifestation to finally flow. The next sign that you'll notice is that your nervous system starts calming down. You feel less emotionally reactive, less desperate, less panicky, less attached. And this really matters because manifestation becomes much easier when your nervous system is no longer operating from a place of fear and survival. You begin feeling safer that you are going to receive what you want. The third sign is that you naturally begin thinking differently. You're not forcing those affirmations. You're not faking feeling positive. Your thoughts are genuinely shifting. You actually start expecting things are going to work out. You start feeling more confident and you start imagining bigger possibilities naturally. And this is often a sign that your subconscious mind is now being reprogrammed. The next sign, sign number 4, are those synchronicities and those opportunities that start appearing. You might randomly hear some conversations about the exact thing that you are working to bring in. You might start to hear people mention opportunities. Ideas start appearing to you. You start getting like new ideas about how this thing could actually happen. You start making more connections with people. You start feeling guided toward taking certain actions. And no, synchronicities alone are not manifestation, but they are a part of the manifestation. They usually indicate that there is movement happening and that you are starting to get aligned. And the 5th sign, and there's more, but these are the 5 signs, you start to just feel like yourself again. You start to feel powerful. You start to feel like you're just really confident that more manifestations are coming. This manifestation is coming, and more manifestations are on the way. People usually feel lighter, they feel energized, they feel happy, they feel hopeful, they feel just really connected deeply, and almost like they're returning back to the powerful version of themselves who naturally knows how to receive abundance. Now, here's the deeper truth about what's really going on. Manifestation is it's not about forcing external results. It's not about that at all. It is about internal alignment. What you feel and think on the inside is what manifests in your outer world. And usually your emotional state, your nervous system, your thoughts, your identity, your energy, they all begin changing. They have to change before your physical reality catches up. And that is why it's so important for you to not panic in those in between phases, because sometimes things are just shifting even before you can physically see them yet. So if you've been noticing yourself becoming calmer, becoming more aligned, becoming more trusting, becoming more emotionally regulated, more open to new possibilities, there's a pretty good chance that something inside of you is already changing. And when your internal world changes consistently, your external reality then follows. So if you're ready to start the rewiring process right now of your subconscious mind, raising your vibration so that you can manifest faster, then I invite you to join Manifestation Mastery today and begin with the 7-day Faster Manifestation Challenge. That's where we begin to clear the subconscious manifestation blocks that keep so many people stuck in doubt, overwhelm, scarcity, resistance, and inconsistency. So go ahead and click the link in the description below to join, and I will see you inside. And remember, your manifestation does not always appear instantly in physical form. You got to give it a little time. Sometimes it begins as that energetic shift, that emotional shift. You can feel it, that identity shift, that nervous system shift, and all of these subtle little internal changes. These may be the very sign that your reality is already on its way and beginning to move toward you. So I look forward to seeing you inside Manifestation Mastery. I'm going to guide you through the 7 steps. They're going to help you clear the blocks and help you to start receiving more of those signs and more of your actual manifestations soon. So I'll see you inside, and have a great day. Bye for now.